How small apartment investors can develop an emergency response plan. Identify potential emergency scenarios. Common emergencies include fires, floods, severe weather like hurricanes and snowstorms, power outages, and medical emergencies involving tenants. Assess risks specific to the property's location, such as earthquakes or hurricanes in certain regions. Outline specific protocols. For each type of emergency, outline procedures such as whether tenants should evacuate or shelter in place, steps for turning off utilities, and instructions for safeguarding personal property. Develop clear response procedures. Identify safe exits and designate assembly points away from the building where tenants can gather. Post evacuation maps in common areas to familiarize tenants with the layout. Outline instructions for tenants, such as staying away from elevators during fires, avoiding flooded areas, and following staff instructions. In severe weather, it's crucial to take steps to secure your property. This includes boarding windows, checking drainage systems, and monitoring the structural integrity of your building. You should also compile essential contact information. For emergency services, make sure you have phone numbers for local fire departments, police stations, hospitals, and paramedics. For property management and maintenance, provide contact information for on-site staff and emergency contractors, such as electricians and plumbers. Don't forget to include contacts for utility companies, water, gas, electricity, and your insurance provider. This ensures swift coordination for service interruptions or claims. Setting up emergency communication tools is vital. Consider using mass texting software or a phone tree system to reach tenants quickly in a crisis. Establish clear tenant communication protocols. Determine how you will inform tenants of emergencies, whether through text alerts, emails, or loudspeaker announcements if available. During ongoing emergencies, it's important to provide regular updates to tenants regarding the status of the situation and any further instructions. After an emergency, inform tenants when it is safe to re-enter the property or when essential services are restored. Use follow-up emails to offer additional guidance and answer any questions tenants might have. Conduct regular training and drills. Train property management staff. Teach staff to follow emergency protocols, use fire extinguishers, and help direct tenants during evacuations. Run drills with tenants. Conduct fire or evacuation drills, inviting tenants to participate. Ensure they know where emergency exits are and the importance of keeping hallways and stairwells clear. Evaluate and improve. After each drill, review response times and any issues that arise. Adjust procedures based on observations to improve future response readiness. Additional tips for effective emergency preparedness. Use emergency kits. Place emergency kits with first aid supplies, flashlights, and other essentials in accessible locations for both staff and tenants. Keep a digital record of emergency plans. Store the emergency response plan digitally, making it accessible to property management staff and investors. Review and update regularly. Update emergency plans annually or after any significant incident to reflect changes in building layout, new staff, or updated local regulations. Emergency preparedness and contingency planning are essential for protecting tenants, property, and financial stability in apartment investing. By developing an emergency response plan that addresses specific types of emergencies, provides contact information, and outlines communication protocols, small apartment investors can respond effectively in crisis situations. Regular drills, staff training, and timely communication with tenants reinforce safety and build tenant confidence, supporting long-term investment success and asset protection.